I'm just north of Pasco, usually known as potato country. But today, this four-wheeler isn't taking us on a ride around a potato field. We're visiting one of Washington's lesser-known crops, garlic. Barrett Tomlinson grows garlic for seed, and for him, it's both challenging and fun.
It's not a widely cultivated crop in the area, so there's minimal competition. You can focus on doing a good job.
Growing garlic isn't as simple as planting a seed. Instead, you plant garlic cloves.
We get cracked garlic that started out as a whole bulb. It goes down a cracking line that takes the bulb down to the size of the largest clove, and that's what we plant. And those individual cloves will generate another bulb. It ultimately ends up in California for their seed stock, which they make powder out of it.
So when we're putting garlic powder in our spaghetti sauce.
Yeah, or you buy a bag of potato chips that might have garlic in it.
Yeah.
Is this garlic a certain type?
It is a soft neck California early. That white bulb that you'd see in the store, that's what this is.
Oh, okay. What stage are they at right now?
They are in bulbing stage.
Bulbing stage.
Yes. Creating what most people know to be garlic. So
Oh, wow. You can really
those,
smell
oh yeah, very potent. There's a clove, clove.
I see. So the little circles kind of in there.
Yeah, the dots.
The dots.
The buttons.
So
And it
these
folds forward.
become a lot more paper-like.
Right.
To, someone who doesn't know anything about garlic, this looks like a big green onion.
It does.
Right?
It does. Yep.
And people probably confuse your field for that all the time.
They confuse it for many things. Yeah.
What does it taste like at this stage? I can smell the garlic. Does it taste like garlic
Well,
right now?
I think the best way to answer that would be for you to try it.
What do I do?
Just
lick it?
lick it. It's not a burning hot, but it's a spicy
Yeah.
garlic hot.
It is. Okay, now it's slow burn
Mhm.
right there. That's gonna last all day.
Yeah. Yeah. You'll find something to wash it down with later, I'm sure, at dinner. I'm not a doctor, but they say, blood pressure, cholesterol, things like that, it can benefit. It's several things. It's a health food, it's a superfood, it's a junk food, so it covers all aspects.
And of course, I had to ask him what his favorite way to eat garlic was.
My favorite way to eat garlic is either in salsa or on the barbecue. Cut the top out of it, put butter or olive oil in it, and cook it.
Till it gets
Yeah.
kind of soft and
That's my favorite way.
good stuff.
Or just traditional garlic bread. I like that too.
Yeah,
Garlic
absolutely.
butter. Pretty much anything with garlic.
Yeah.
That's the top.
Nice.